Today I'm back with more cold brew coffee recipes, but this time we are going to bottle them in 180 ml bottles. 180 ml bottle means they are concentrate, and what you do is you chill them in the refrigerator and you pour them over ice when you want to have a treat of latte, cappuccino in cold brew form. Some of you might have seen my video, which now has over 1 million views. I thank you once again for those that have supported me on this channel. And so if you haven't yet seen that video tutorial, do check out the link above. For the cold brew, it is easy enough to make, very easy on the investment. All you need will be a coffee grinder. It's very important to have a coffee grinder because you like to have freshly ground coffee to make your cold brew. And then of course all you need will be pitchers and strainers. That's all. Very simple. The downside of using cold brew is that you have to make a big batch. So if you are using this for business, you have to make sure that you have enough for when you have an order, because cold brew coffee, you cannot serve them without waiting for at least 12 hours. I find my cold brew is better when I steep it at least 24 hours. For this cold brew recipe, I am going to use my dark roast coffee beans. The darker the roast, the better for cold brew. Sometimes I use espresso roast or a combination of Arabica and Robusta, which makes it even stronger. The proportion that you should use should depend on how strong your coffee beans are. For 1:10, I use 100 grams of ground coffee, extra coarse ground coffee, to 1 liter of water. And then I steep it for 12 hours at least, but I find 24 hours is perfect. The next day, strain once and twice, and you get your strong cold brew. So if your coffee is not strong enough, you might wish to make it 1:8 or 1:5. Now, how long is the shelf life of the cold brew concentrate? Without milk or any flavors added into the drink, it can stay up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. But once you've added milk or other flavors into your drink, it will only last up to 3 days. So these are fresh, they are not with preservatives or pasteurized, so make only as much as you need. Make them to order if necessary. Just make sure you have enough cold brew concentrate that you can mix as and when you need it. For those at home, it is also good to have because you can keep them refrigerated and then take them out whenever you feel like having a cold brew latte treat. And if you'd like to have them hot, all you have to do is to pop it in the microwave and you can make them hot drinks. So the main ingredients, our cold brew and the milk syrup. The milk syrup is a combination of condensed and evaporated milk. For this recipe today, I'm going to make it 50% sweetness level, not so sweet, because these days people like them sweet but not so sweet. Half condensed and half evaporated. If you don't have evaporated milk, you can also replace it with half and half, or even fresh milk if that is what you wish. We are going to start by making the first drink, which is Americano. Well, to some people, Americano is only for espresso, but I call it Americano nonetheless. Black coffee. This time, we are going to make Hazelnut Americano. For this, I'm going to use my cold brew. I'm going to use hazelnut syrup. I'm using Monin here. You can use any brand. And water. We need 3 ounces of our cold brew. And to this, I am going to use 15 ml of hazelnut. You can increase or reduce to 3. 1 pump is 5 ml, so 3 pumps is 15 ml. Okay, and then we need to bring this up to 6 ounces or 180 ml. Okay, so it's exactly 180 ml of our cold brew coffee. Pour into your bottle, and if your bottle is not full, fill it up to the top with water. Cold brew Hazelnut Americano. Give it a shake. 1 drink down. On to our second drink. It is plain latte. Now always give this option because some do not like to have any flavor in their latte. So I'm going to use only my cold brew and my milk syrup. I need 4 ounces of my cold brew and fill it up with milk syrup up to 6 ounces or 180 ml. Start to combine. This time, if it is not full, just add a little bit of your cold brew. Okay, and this is our cold brew latte. Shake it and keep it chilled. Okay, Next drink, it is going to be cold brew strawberry latte. So we need our cold brew, we need strawberry, I'm using strawberry puree, you can use strawberry syrup, and we need our milk syrup. So this again, I am going to use 4 ounces of cold brew. And then to this, I am going to add 45 ml of my milk syrup. And then now I'm going to add my flavor, which is strawberry. Shake it, because this is a puree, there will be some bits in it. So I only need 15 ml or half an ounce. Okay, now get my spoon, and there you go. Now it's looking a little bit pinkish, which is good. That means the strawberry color is coming out, and it's making it look like strawberry latte. Pour it into your bottle. This strawberry has some bits in them because it's a puree that is looking lovely there, and it is smelling so good of strawberry. There you go. So this is now our cold brew strawberry latte. Shake it, and that looks absolutely good with some colors of strawberry. Let me just shake it a bit more. There you go. Third drink down. Next drink, it is going to be Tiramisu Latte. Use my cold brew and my flavor, which is tiramisu, and of course my milk syrup. 4 ounces or 120 ml of my cold brew, 45 ml of milk syrup, and then we need the flavor, which is tiramisu. 15 ml or half an ounce. This is 2 pump of tiramisu. 1, 2, stir to combine. Wow, it is smelling of tiramisu chocolate. And now pour it into our bottle. Tiramisu cold brew. Okay, shake. Fourth drink down. Our final drink, it is Mocha Mint. For the Mocha Mint, we need our cold brew, we need milk syrup, we need the mint, and we need my chocolate powder here. I'm going to start with 45 ml of milk syrup. There, and then 1 tablespoon of my unsweetened chocolate powder. How delicious this will be depends on how good is your chocolate powder. Stir to combine. I'm not going to add my cold brew yet. I want it to be dissolved in my milk syrup first. I'm going to just add my mint here, which is 15 ml. So I'm going to give it 2 pumps. 1, 2. And this is my chocolate mint flavor. So you can see it is getting dissolved in here. If you add your cold drink here, it might be harder for you to dissolve it. So start by dissolving your chocolate powder in your milk syrup and your mint syrup. So here I'm going to bring it up to 6 ounces or 180 ml. I have enough here. Well, just about exactly 180 ml of my cold brew. Okay, so it's not really full, but I've run out of my cold brew. If you have cold brew, just add a bit more cold brew there. So cold brew, Mocha Mint, Tiramisu Latte, Strawberry Latte, regular latte, and Hazelnut Americano. 5 deliciously looking cold brew drinks using 180 ml bottle concentrates. And it's time for the moment of truth. Now that we have bottled our drinks, time to give them a try. As I have said, these are concentrates, and the way to drink it is you pour them over ice. We are going to try all of them, and I'll let you know how they taste like. We'll start with our hazelnut coffee, cold brew coffee. Okay, into the glass. I'm not going to pour them all. I just want to give it a try, see whether my recipes work. Wow, this is going to be a special treat for those Americano lovers. And moment of truth. For me, this is good. It's the balance of the sweetness. It's not very sweet because we use only 50%, but it is sweet a little bit, and then the coffee. So this is milky coffee, milky cold brew coffee. Pour Give it a try. I'm saving this for some other people who might wish to try my recipes. Oh wow, that is special. What I like about cold brew is that it is not very strong coffee at all. It's just very smooth and so refreshing. My blend is on the roasty, chocolatey type, and it just complements perfectly with all these flavors, at least with the tiramisu. Okay, and now my strawberry latte. Shake it, pour it. I'm going to pour all of it into my glass. Let's just see how much it is. Okay, so these glasses are 12 ounces. They're pretty glasses too. And so one bottle can be poured into this glass, and it is looking so good, pinkish because of the strawberry latte, strawberry flavor. That is special. Although it's tasting more like strawberry, the coffee is just a hint. So you might wish to make it a little bit less or a stronger coffee. And now for my final one, this is my cold brew Mocha Mint. I'm going to pour all of it as well. Wow, wow, that is delicious. Chocolate with mint reminds me of Christmas, and it's nearly Christmas, so you should start offering something with mint in your menu. Wow, they are all very special. They're very simple recipes, and yet they taste so good. I'm going to fill up my glass, all of them there. Hazelnut cold brew. You know what's perfect with this hazelnut cold brew? A little bit of my sea salt cream. That would be perfect. But that, you have to check my other video tutorials. So if you have any questions about this recipes, do let me know. I'll see you again for more of these video tutorials. I also got a request to make something similar using instant coffee, so I'll give it a try. Stay tuned and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.